What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. With Shamsi here, and we got a new install, new mod for the 197. I haven't been uploading because I've just been working my ass off. Like, I've been trying to save as well. I'm planning to get a new little project that's coming soon, early next year. So I'm trying to work as much as I can, try to save as much money as I can to get more mods and even buy a new car, to be honest. But yeah, today we got some spacers coming straight from Mtec Racing. Yeah, so we got 20mm hub spacers for the rear, not really for the front, because the front is already low, and if I was to put spacers on it, it will be rubbing against the arches, so I don't really want to do that. But yeah, there's a massive gap in the arch thingy in the rear, so yeah, I'm gonna be putting spacers in. Yeah, I'm probably gonna show you guys how to do it. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what's in the package. Okie dokie, cool. Let me turn this down. Yeah, that didn't make a difference. Cool. So in the package, coming from Mtec Racing, let me put this in there. So we got, sorry for this mess. So we got your spacers, mate. Your aluminium, is it aluminium? I don't know what the fuck it is, but it's fucking spacers. Looking rather clean, mate, rather clean. You know, it's gonna add some space. Wow. Get it? Spacers. Fuck it. Yeah, so it's 5 by 108. Center bore hole is 60.1. That is for most of the Renaults. I believe the 182s and the 172s are 4 by 108s. Probably the same as Ford, but it don't matter. And we also got some long extended, let me put this up there. We've got some extended bolts. So it's what, 20mm longer than the original, I believe so. It has a bit of a concave fitting. 20mm, oh shit, 20mm longer, so that should do it. I should have about 10 in total in this bag. But yeah, those are the spacers. And what else do we got in here, mate? This is like the invoice of what I bought. Let me double check, sir. Cool. So we got some instructions from Mtec. So first step we want to do is clean the car hub center, mounting the surface, remove all the dirt and all that shit. Apply the wheel spacer into the wheel. Make sure the wheel spacer sits firmly without any backlash against the center bore hole. Make sure that the depth is 3mm smaller than the width of the spacer you're fitting. Place the wheel spacer onto the car's hub center. Make sure that the wheel spacer sits flush. If divided, compare the wheel fasteners with your original fasteners. Minimum thread by 12mm. Use torque wrench. Bottom spacers that are supplied. Okay, cool. So this is an idiot's guide of how to fit it. There you go, idiot's guide. You guys can pause it or some shit like that. And yeah, so cool. So without showing my address this time, I paid about, yeah, Renault Clio 197. Bits and bolts. Free postage, lovely. But 20% tax, fuck's sake. Yeah, I ordered it then. £44 for the 20mm spacers. Now that is pretty a good deal, because I've seen some spacers that are about what, 100 and something odd pounds. But yeah, straight from Mtec. But yeah, enough of me babbling. Time to install these boys. I might show you a couple clips here and there, but I'm just gonna, it's cold and it's raining ish. Well, it's about to rain, so I just want to hurry this up, to be honest. But yeah, on to the next clip. Cool. So you want to make sure that your car is on a flat, leveled surface, so you can appropriately jack up your car. Cool. So begin to jack up your car using any type of jack. I'm using the one that comes with the 197, and make sure that the wheel is off the ground. Now you want to take the wheel off by using a 19mm socket. And yeah, cool. It's also good to do a quick inspection of the wheel your brakes, or just your entire area of that section of your car, just to make sure everything is in tip-top condition. Even check the tires, even the jack. Continue looking at the jack, make sure that it's all supported. Before you get any further, you want to make sure you get a wire brush or wire wool, and make sure that you clean the hub surface and the inside of your wheel to make sure that everything will sit flush. And you got to make sure that you test fit everything, test fit the bolts, test fit the wheel spaces. Just make sure that it's completely flush against everything. Now, it is a good idea to have a second person there to help you, but unfortunately it was only just me, so I couldn't record most of the stuff I was doing. So after that step, you want to make sure that everything is lined up, right? And you make sure that the bolts go completely through. You tighten it up to the correct torque specifications, right? While it's on the floor, that's when you torque it up, and when it's in the air, you hand tighten it, and then you undo the jack, and then you just continue with your daily lives. Simple as. Now that's how you install wheel spacers from Mtec Racing. Now, I was just editing the video and I realized that I didn't exactly explain why I'm saving and why I want to get a new car. Okay, cool. So I'm basically just going to talk about it right now. So the Clio 197, fucking great car, beautiful car. It just ticks all the boxes, right? That's not what I want, believe it or not. It is and it's not, because like I want a car that I can work on. I want a car that can piss me off because I did something wrong, not because that's how it was from factory. Like, the car is great from factory, beautiful car, great. It is pretty quick for a 2-litre NA, but I just want something that I can build on. Like, I could slap turbos to and just send it and just make it like a show. I want to do, like, I want my own build. I want to build my own car, do you understand? So the best platform what I could do is the Honda platform. Now, the Honda platform has a massive plethora of aftermarket parts for the Honda scene. So I'm looking at getting like a Honda Civic, or just any Honda Civic with a front mounted exhaust manifold coming out, so that I can easily work on the turbo instead of dropping the whole engine or whatever. So yeah, I'm looking into getting a Honda Civic so that I can just make my own, to be honest, because I was thinking for a very long time, what's the next car, how can I push this channel? So either it was going to be the Golf 1.8 turbo or the Megane 225, or it was going to be a Lexus IS200. Those are my three main cars. Now, I picked those cars because they're very cheap to get your hands on, because you can get each of those cars for around $1 to $2 grand. Now, that is pretty cheap considering the amount of stuff that you're going to be doing to the car. So yeah, I'm most likely gonna start with the Honda Civic, or even a Honda Civic Coupe, EK9 or EG9 or EG6 or whatever. I just want a Civic, right? Manual, 5-speed or 6-speed. It's gonna be a 5-speed because they ain't gonna 6-speed. So it's gonna be a 5-speed, 1.6 or 1.4 or whatever. I do not care, right? But the insurance for my Clio out there is fucking Group 30E. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Honda Civic is like, what, 16? 12, 16? I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but that is what I wanted to do. So yeah, this is Edit Shamsi out.